Hello, it's me, Tina. Today I'm using a new release of Oddball Art Stamps and the freebie from our CCC 37 newsletter to show you how to make a magnet slider card. Please excuse that the video is very dark this time. I could only work on it at night and had to use an artificial lighting. Nevertheless, I hope you can see everything well. The black basic card has a size of 24.5 by 16 centimeters and was folded at 12 centimeters and at 24 centimeters. First, I punched a half circle up in the middle of the back. Then I glue the card with a small tab and on one side together so that a kind of back is created. Now the prepared parts can be glued onto the design paper, and before that the small antennas can be attached with the heart. I stuck the rabbit's head twice and fixed a magnet between the two layers. Now I lay the head on the body and put the slider card under it, so I can mark the exact position for the second magnet. Now I stick the magnet here and glue the card on a second layer. Put the slider in the card pocket and the magnet slider card is done. Now glue the first design paper layer on the front. In order to better grip the slider, I also punched half a circle in the front. If you now pull on the slider, the rabbit's head is pulled up. For example, if you attach a second pair of magnets to the small heart, the head will stay straight as you move the slider. Thanks for watching my video and see you soon. Bye!